Today is a very special day for me. I got this parcel from NacFun.
So let's go and give this parcel and Sneaky.
You all have to wait and see her reaction.
Yes.
So I'm opening this.
I'll help you.
Oh my god! See this? Let me not 11. This is all my hard work, my mother's hard work, and my father also.
Thanks, NacFun.
Now let's open
Again.
it. The phone cover. Here we go. Come on, it's magic. It's oh my god. Look at this.
Words are very much less to express.
I have learned various activities like craft, dance, music, singing, poetry, comedy, and many more. I couldn't name them. They are infinite. So, including NacFun, I have learned many things. Thank you so much, NacFun. And hair prizes are free, of course. So I'm very much happy to get the mobile phone. Let's see this. So see, this is a scary snake. This is wall hanging which I made it and looks so beautiful. This is a Christmas tree. This is a bell and this is a fish. This is a 3D craft, 3D paper craft, and there are many more over here also. So all this I have learned from NacFun. There are many more also, but these are some glimpses.